Hey guys, in this video show you how to add auto layout in a framer. So let's say I'll do it for these two elements, okay? Just click on both of them so you can hold shift and click on them. As you can see, it has highlighted this. But if you look here on the right hand panel, you don't see any layout options. Now we need to set up auto layout, so you can press Ctrl plus A, or you can come here on the top panel, click on layout and choose. So let's say I like to do with a frame. And now as soon as I do that and I click on this, right, you'll see on the right hand side, we now have layout options. So you can choose the type, so stack or even a grid. Okay, you can set a grid right here. As you can see, now we'll have the two columns. We have two rows. This is the other row. I can, set gaps. Okay, the spacing basically between the elements in the layout. And you can do other things as well. You can set the distribution. Okay, you can even set the direction as well, as you can see, right? Look at this. And you can do a lot more other stuff. You can wrap it, you can align it differently, even set gaps and padding, right? And it's really that easy and simple, and that is how you add auto layout in Framer.